Okay, so you guys that have been following us for a while, you may not know, but I've mentioned it in the past. And for the people who just joined with us, let's get you caught up on that at least. We're downsizing. You kind of see that we've got a yard sale going on here because we're selling everything that we own. And this is like the third day, and we still have a lot to go. But in the meantime, the people that have been watching us for a while that know what we're doing, I have a problem that has been with me my whole life, and I don't know if this is going to make a difference at all, but Heidi thought, well, let's grab the camera just in case. But I'm colorblind. I've been colorblind for as early as I remember. I was the only one in third grade to have a green dog that was on the wall when everybody else's dog was brown, and I never understood why my parents called it a green traffic light. I just thought it was a white light that looked dirty. It just didn't look like a bright white. So all these years later, you just get used to it. And it is a deficiency, and there are problems with it. And now that we're getting ready to start traveling, I'm finding that, like, reading maps and them using different colors to indicate on the map landmarks and stuff, that's kind of a problem. For example, we're Thousand Trails members, and the difference between a brown tree and a green tree on the map, I can't tell other than they look a little lighter from each other. And also, like our weather maps, when we're seeing storms come in, I can't tell the difference between ice and just rain on the map because they're purples and blues. I don't get it. It just doesn't make any sense.
Do you know what type of color blindness you have?
I'm a strong Dutin, so they say. It's supposed to be a red-green deficiency, but
I can believe that.
yeah, I don't know, again, if this is going to make a difference or not. But the third thing that you got to be concerned with is now that we're hitting the road, I won't be familiar with a lot of the areas that we're traveling. And traffic lights, sometimes the traffic lights are turned sideways in some of these towns. And if we come up to a light and there's a power outage, I can't tell if it's a flashing yellow or a flashing red. I got to do a lot of stuff in my head to figure out if I'm on a primary road of travel, if there's stop signs involved. I mean, there's a lot that go into not being able to tell red and yellow, the difference between the two. So I couldn't really, or I didn't really want to spend the money quite yet for Enchroma glasses. They seem to be pretty decent, but what I did instead is I got this brand Pilestone. They are cheaper and they're available on Amazon. I went online, I took their test, and as far as the reviews in that, I think it's a 50-50. I mean, it could work or it couldn't. So the fact that you can get these on Amazon Prime and the returns are real easy, I figured it might as well try it. So Heidi decided she wants to grab the camera and document this to see if I can tell. Again, I'm very skeptical. That's probably why I haven't, I mean, these have been out for years, and I don't necessarily believe they're going to work, but we'll try them, because they just look like colored lenses to me, and I don't know how that changes things, because I've had a lot of different sunglasses. I know that whenever I get yellow lenses, that everything seems to be a little bit better for me, but still, Heidi can be the true gauge of what colors are, because her color blindness is perfect. And that she doesn't have any. But here we go. Now the glasses, all of a sudden everything looks a little rosier to me. Tell some of the reds pop a little better.
What's red? Can you show me
Well,
red?
well, I know red for sure, the Indians logo, of course.
Wow. What about behind you? In that box?
I can see. Okay, so this got a little bit different. This right here looks different to me now. I mean,
It's orange.
okay, this top one became red, real
Yes.
red.
Yes.
And before it was like just a darker, I mean, I guess it was red, but it's like brightened it up. I can see this like brightened up also. I don't know the colors, but there's seems to be a difference there is greater than it was before. I don't want to trust that because it's printed. I'm trying to see stuff that actually makes sense. I'm doing this a lot, pulling the glasses down, up and down, and like the bottle brush tree or whatever that's out in the front yard there, I can tell whenever I have my glasses up that there's actually, before with the glasses down, without using the glasses, the leaves look to be one color on that tree, and then the bottle brush part, the part that flies away or whatever, it looks to just be like it's dying. It looks like it's a dead part of the tree. But when I put these on, I can see that there's actually a color on them. There's like a color. I can't tell exactly what the color is. It looked kind of reddish.
They are red until they die off.
Oh, okay.
And then they're kind of brownish.
And then as far as the tree, the leaves on the tree, without the glasses, the colors seem to be brighter. They seem to be, but with the glasses on, the color changes. And I mean, I expect that because these are to some extent a sunglass, so it is protecting my eyes a little bit, but
what are the trees? Do the trees look brighter, more crisp?
no, it's not that they look brighter, but they look different. Like all of a sudden I can tell that,
Do they not look brown?
like this, the leaves on this tree.
Like you'd know what brown looks like.
Right. The trees on this, the leaves on this tree, I should say, look different than like the leaves on that tree. There's a different color. Then the next tree, the big tall tree, looks like this one, and then the next tree looks like that one.
You're right. You're absolutely right.
Well,
So they're a little darker.
I can tell the difference with
These two are a little,
but I don't see that it's more distinguished. I guess these work. I guess they work. I just can't necessarily tell, and I don't know of something that I always get wrong. As far as blues, like on the tarps, the blues look pretty pronounced.
Well, I noticed like greens and browns are a big deal for you. Like, what's that tarp look like? Because it's not blue.
No, and it looks really...
Does it look like the color of your old truck?
No, it looks...
It actually is the same color as your old truck.
It is?
Yeah, the green.
Well, the old truck always looked blue to me anyway. I always thought it was blue. So we'll have to keep on trying these out. I can tell there's a little bit of a difference, but the main thing is that there's some people that there's a huge difference. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up the colorblind test in the office, and I'm going to take it and see if there's a difference in my results. I'll take it without the glasses and then take it with the glasses. So let's go do that. Even though these aren't Enchroma glasses, I'm going to take the Enchroma test first without the glasses, and then we'll try with the glasses, see if it changes.
Alright, 4. Of course I'm doing this without. 9. Nothing. And I think it's, I'm sure, I think it's 6, but I can't really tell. 2. 6. I know a lot of you are going, I can see the number, I'm sure. I think that was a 2. That one looks like a 6 to me. Kind of looks like a 9, I think. That's a 6. It's a 2. It's a 3. It's a 2. It's a 6. I'm sure. It's a 3. I'm kind of unsure. I think it's a 9, but okay. I'm not sure. This looks like a 5 to me. That's a 7. And I'm not sure there. I think it's 6. Looks kind of like a 1. 8. 2. Nothing. It's something every time. I think a 4, I think. I think a 9. Some of these I think I'm guessing at. I think that looks like a 1. 6. That's an easy one. 2, I think. I'm sure. 5. I'm sure. I see something, but I don't know what it is.
Dutton. Now this says moderate. Now I must be having a good color eye day because usually this says severe Dutton. So Dutton, that's it. And it doesn't say how many I got right. 75% has a colorblind list like me. So it doesn't say how many I got right, but we're going to go ahead and try to take the test again and see if we can get a different result with the glasses. Let's see what happens here. Wow, that 6 looks completely different now. 1, 4, 8. I think I was getting those all right in the first time. See, this is still not very distinguished. It looks kind of 9-ish. So I'm going to have to say unsure on that. That looks like a 4 to me.
Looks like a 1. Looks like a 5. Looks like a 4. Looks like an 8. Looks like a 2. Looks like a 6. Looks like a 3. Looks like a 5. I don't see anything on that one. I think that might have been a 5, but I can't tell. 6. I barely recognized it. Looks like 5. Unsure. 4. Thinking of 1. I can kind of see it. Not as well as I see that. That is, I don't see nothing. Like a 9. Kinda not sure. I see something, but I can't tell. 8. Nothing. Unsure. I can't really, looks like an 8 to me. 6. 7. Unsure. I see something that looks a little different, but 7. Nothing.
It's funny how some of the shades are the same and you can't distinguish what number it is. It's not that it's funny, but you know what I'm saying? There'll be the same shade, you'll get the number right, and then the next one will be kind of the same shade and you don't recognize the number. Wow.
I've never passed that test ever in my life. Ever. It says I have normal color vision.
Yeah, with those glasses on.
With the glasses on. So obviously they must work. I've taken that test probably 40 times and I've never passed. I've never even come close to passing it. The best I ever get was moderate Deuton, and usually I get strong Deuton. So I guess that's right. I guess that's right. So these things must work. This is one thing I always have a problem with. Now, I don't have my glasses on, but whenever I'm looking at rain, like here, there's a lot of times I can't tell the colors quite as well. Like if I pull these down, I can see that there's different shades to some extent, but now I can see that this looks like I could just see, I don't know how to describe it. I mean, since I don't know the colors, I can see up here there's differences now. Some of them were kind of blended together, but I'm going to have to, I guess, learn the names of the colors that I'm seeing because some of them pop more a little bit than other ones. So I guess these things work. I'll have to keep on. I mean, when I look outside, there's some, I knew I wasn't going to have one of these. Oh, my, this is unbelievable because I've always been able to see something. It's just, it's like some of the colors are washed out. Some of them are brown instead of maybe a green. And I've always thought that, and I could never tell if there was a dark green and a light brown. I would just assume the light color was green and the dark color was brown, because it seems like that for me, through all these years learning the difference between colors or trying to distinguish the color differences, I always, for the most part, on average, if it's brown, the brown colors are always a darker shade than the green colors. I mean, like 70% of the time. And I don't know if that makes sense to you guys, but I know that, for example, most trees, the main trunk of the tree always appeared brown to me, and most of the time it looked really dark, where the leaves on the tree I knew were green for the most part, and they always appeared a little bit lighter. So a lot of that applied to whenever I just see anything for that matter. So I'll have to wear these for a while, but the other reason that we're doing the video is if they did anything to my eyes at all, which obviously I passed the color test. I was going to put the link in the description so you guys can go check it out for yourself. If any of you are colorblind, you want to try it out, this is the cheapest way I could find. This will allow me to think about maybe upgrading in the future to those enchromas, because they say the enchromas are supposed to be better. But I just couldn't see paying 3 times the amount of what these were to even see if there's a difference or a result. So maybe in the future, maybe I'll get a pair of prescription sunglasses from Enchroma that will allow me to see the colors too when we're driving. But yeah, kind of cool. That's it. That's all this video is. So as always, guys, we hope to see you out there, and links are in the description for these if you want to try them out. Bye.